Toitū Te Hakapupu is a partnership project between Otago Regional Council and Kati Huirapa Runaka ki Puketeraki to restore and enhance the mauri and health of the Pleasant River catchment. For Kaitahu, Te Hakapupu was an important kaika mahika kai, or food-gathering settlement, and is within the takiwā, or area, of Puketeraki. Toitū Te Hakapupu is a $5 million project. $4 million was funded by the Ministry for the Environment, with contributions from Otago Regional Council and more than 30 landowners who have been involved. The primary goal of the project was to improve water quality throughout the entire catchment through actions on the ground, like 39 kilometres of fencing to exclude stock, planting over 90,000 native plants along wetlands and waterways, installing 10 sediment traps, and improving 5 fish passage barriers. Great progress has been made to improve and protect the river's health, continuing into the future.